Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to change Facebook page name. First of all, open up the Facebook app. Then click on Menu from the bottom right corner. Now from here, click on three dots to switch on your Facebook page. Once you get into your Facebook page, click on the menu from the bottom right corner. Tap on your profile and see your name. Then get back to the menu and click on Settings and Privacy. Go into Settings and tap on Page Settings. Then from Personal Information, here you can see the name field. Tap on it and you can change the name from here. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.